I would look at the shower floor. I was losing a lot of hair. I didn't know when it would stop. I was afraid I would actually go bald.
You lose 50% of the hair in an area before you notice it. So if you think your hair is thinning, it is. When we do the microscopic analysis, it helps us understand what will be successful for you. Can we do the platelet-rich plasma? Can we do the low-level laser light therapy?
When they gave me the PRP treatment, my hair started to grow in faster and thicker. And the laser treatments are FDA approved, which means you're getting the latest technology available.
We have technology, we have processes, always be pushing to be the best we can be. Great technology, great results, and you've got happy patients. And that's what it's all about. If you're thinking, look, there's no way you can help me, it couldn't be further from the truth.
It's nice to have fun with my hair again.
Call 888-724-5129 or go to wegrowhairindy.com, the gold standard in hair restoration.